Okay, let's get started. Just give me a few minutes. We'll start at 8 o'clock.
Too much garlic.
Alrighty, we'll start here at 8 o'clock. Let me get everything set up. If you guys are joining us on TikTok, know that on YouTube, you guys can see the charts better than you can on TikTok. Bitcoin is actually now $55,000, so I guess that's going to be our first level of concern. But we'll start talking about Bitcoin here at 2 or 3 more minutes. I did enter a position on Bitcoin, so we'll see how that goes. How's it going, Kevin? Right now, I do not see a buy signal on Bitcoin. It looks like we just got a sell signal on the 15-minute chart, so we'll see how that goes. I also just sold some of my Dogecoin at 42.7 cents, which looks like a pretty good idea right now because now it's already 2 cents lower. Doge dip, yeah, saw that just now. Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing. Took profits on Dogecoin. Nothing crazy happening right now besides Bitcoin, Dogecoin. I guess everything's probably dipping right now. Ethereum's at 32.68, so we'll just kind of see how that plays out. Let me go and look at crypto. Brothers, let's see what coins are up for the day. Ethereum Classic's up 16%. Waves is up 28%. Ethereum's up 9.9%. Dogecoin's still up 7.5%. Some of the losers is OKB, which I don't know what that is down 15.5%. Nano's down 9.2%. BTC down 10%. CryptoCoin's down 3%. So those are some of the losers. If you guys have any coins, let me know that you want to see. Anchor, yeah, I'll look at Anchor. I actually sold my Anchor, but we can look at that. So I guess, yeah, that's what we will do. Let me go see. Where was I going to go? Okay. So right now Bitcoin is sitting at $55,200. We're trying to hold 55K as support. We'll see if we can do that. But yeah, 55K is where we're sitting right now. On the 15-minute chart, we're starting to get a little bit of a green candle. I do have an average entry price, I think around $55,300 or $55,400. I don't remember. I got it at 2 different points just recently. I did short a little bit, a few $100s worth of Bitcoin from I think $57,000, $57,000 to like $56,500. I got out a little early, but that's okay. And then I relonged it, so I'm just doing some quick short trades. But that's kind of what I'm doing right now with Bitcoin. Bitcoin already at 55, almost at 55.5 again. So if we can stay above 55K, that's what I want to see on Bitcoin. And I think Ethereum's a lot more bullish right now than Bitcoin, but we'll see if Ethereum has topped out short term. Bitcoin just dipped down all the way to $54,646. That's like a 3K drop in about an hour and a half. So let's see if we can hold 55K. It looks like short term we are. 15-minute candle is going up. We still have a 15-minute sell on Bitcoin, at least from a buy and sell indicator. 30-minute chart. Let's go look at the MACD. 30-minute chart is very bearish on the MACD for Bitcoin. 1 hour, same thing, very bearish. 4 hours still looks bearish. 6 hour is bearish. 12-hour chart for MACD on Bitcoin is bearish, but it's losing its momentum, so some bearish divergence. And the 12-hour chart is also bearish, or almost still bearish, but bearish, turning bearish. If I can talk, I can't talk very well right now. But yeah, that's kind of what Bitcoin is doing. I think we're going to hold 55K, and if we don't, then I think it could be down to 52K and then 50K if those supports don't hold. So that's why I think Bitcoin is very good right now. Or at least I think we're getting that bounce is what I'm saying. Let's go look at Anchor, and I will give you my thoughts. I believe long term this is a very good project. short term, we can go look at it. Right now it's at 16 cents. We go to the 1 hour chart, 16 cents. And you got all the way up to, what was it? You got up to about almost 19 cents just about yesterday, I think it was. So we're on the 4 hour chart, so I'm assuming it was yesterday, and it looks like just a few days ago. Well, no, that was a few weeks ago. Never mind. So the 6 hour chart on Anchor is a sell. Now I do have support drawn. Let me zoom out here. I have support drawn all the way down at 12.5 cents, and I know the super strong support at 10 cents. So let's kind of see what happens, what levels hold. There's probably going to be some psychological support at 15 cents. So I think long term Anchor is still a very good project. Short term, you're probably going to be selling off with Bitcoin. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Let me see. That's what I got on Bitcoin. I'm sorry, that's what I have with Anchor. I think that's probably going to go down to 12.5 cents if Bitcoin keeps selling off. If not, then obviously I don't think Anchor is going to go below 15 cents. XLM's at 53 cents. Link's at 39.72. Trying to get it back above $40 on Link. I'm in a Tesla's trade. I think I'm back to break even on that. I think my average entry price was $5.71. It got above $6 temporarily today. And now we're going back lower. What did we get up to on Tesla's today? 610. So that's what Tesla's did today. If you guys have any other coins you want me to look at, let me know. I think that's a good idea to load up on alts while Bitcoin's bleeding, assuming Bitcoin doesn't go down to 50K. Because if that happens, everything's going to bleed. But Bitcoin can stabilize around 55 to 57K. With the Bitcoin dominance being as low as it is, I think altcoins will do very well. But we're still waiting for that parabolic push on altcoins and crypto in general, and we haven't gotten that yet. But I think loading up on alts right now is not a bad idea if you're just trading short term. So giving up on crypto coin. Let's go. I'll look at that. If you guys are on YouTube, you guys can see the charts. Otherwise, on TikTok, I'm trying to convert people from TikTok to YouTube because I think it's a better platform to show you guys the charts. But let me go look at crypto coin, and let's see what it's doing. Crypto coin is at 18 cents. Now it's been weeks, so we can't get above 20 cents on crypto coin. And on the 6 hour chart, which is a pretty big time frame, you're having multiple sell signals on CRO coin, and that was getting around 19 cents. You got that. Now you're sitting at almost below 18 cents right now on crypto coin, and Bitcoin is at $55,300. My guess is at this point you're probably not going to hold 55K, or you might get a bounce. We'll see. But it doesn't look for this bounce on Bitcoin right now. It's pathetic as well. We'll see what happens. I'm in a long position, so hopefully it keeps going up. But yeah, crypto coin, you could probably test 16.5 cents again before you go up, and if you break that, your target's about 14 cents. I'll tell you right now, the MACD on the 1 hour chart is bearish. The 4 hour chart, same thing. 6 hour chart is bearish on crypto coin. 12 hour chart is bullish, but it's probably about to turn bearish. It's it's almost break even, and the daily chart's also bearish on crypto coin. So my guess is that is probably going to the next support, which, like I said, is 16.5 cents and then 13.8 cents. But yeah, at least you get passive income from crypto coin. With Bitcoin going down, I wouldn't buy crypto coin, seeing that it moves perfectly with it. Any opinion on Sleepy coin? They seem like good because they have a transparent dev team. I have no idea what that is. Sorry about that. That's an MTO token. I can look some of these up, but I don't really know what these are. This guy's intense. I love it. Well, appreciate it. Did you get back into Doge? So I just talked about that, but if you guys weren't here, I just took profit on Dogecoin because we had a 15-minute sell. Now you already might be getting the bounce, but I'm personally not buying back in right now. I sold at 32.68 cents, and then it dipped all the way down to like just below 40 cents. So I should have actually made buck a bit, but I didn't. If I go to smaller time frames in the 15-minute, it is saying with the Bollinger Bands it's a buy, which I don't really think is super accurate on the small time frames. 3-minute, I don't have a green dot. 1 minute, I don't have a green dot. So I think I like to go on buy and sell indicators. I think they're a lot more accurate than the Bollinger Band indicator, at least on the small time frames. And even the 1-minute chart is not saying Dogecoin is a buy, so we'll see what Bitcoin does. I want to see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin can hold 55K, I'd probably get back into Doge because I'm trying to day trade this. But if Bitcoin breaks 55K, then obviously I don't want to get into Doge. And right now, Bitcoin does not look like it's having a very good bounce off of 55K. We're still below 55.5, so we'll see what happens with Bitcoin first. ETH price, I don't know if you mean by the end of May, but I think by the end of May, Ethereum will be around $4,000 to $5,000. I know it's a big range, but I think that's where it'll be. I think it's going to slowly go up. Now, I think you could retrace back to 3K as support, test it as support, keep going up. We'll see what happens. Now, Bitcoin could get a major bounce off of 55K, then maybe that won't happen, but I think Ethereum needs some sort of cool off. We'll see. Right now, it's below $3,300. Look up Sleepy, won't be disappointed. What is Bollinger Bands? So basically, if the price goes up too fast, then I'll make a video on it afterwards. But it's going to be easier if I just make a video on it. It's kind of hard to explain on TikTok without any visual. So I will make a note to make a video on that, and then I'll tag you in the video so you guys can see that. But it basically is an indicator where if the price goes up too fast and it goes over a Bollinger Band, then it means it's a sell, kind of like the RSI. If the RSI gets above 70, then it's a sell. But I'll make a video on that and tag you in that, which is Crypto Mirror 2000. I'll do that later tonight. So, what else? Appreciate it, Copus, or I'm sorry if I didn't say that name right. Yeah, look up Sleepy. I will do that right now. Again, if you guys are watching on YouTube, on TikTok, you can watch on YouTube, and you can get, what's the word? You can see the charts. That's what I'm saying. So, let me go to CoinMarketCap, and I will look up the coin Sleepy. I actually just bought, what is the coin? I can't even remember it. It's called Sheet Coin. So it's supposed to be like Dogecoin, but it's like, I don't know, it's super low in price. So for $1,000 I was able to pick up 48.3 million coins. So I think it's going to do very well. It's a really risky play, but it's supposed to be the next Dogecoin, SHIB. But right now we're going to go look up Sleepy. Let's see, what is the ticker for Sleepy? SLE. I don't know. I need the ticker because I don't see Sleepy on CoinMarketCap when I just type that word in. Sure, I will do that. And I need the knowledge, of course. So yeah, I don't know what the ticker for Sleepy is because right now I don't see it on CoinMarketCap. So Sleepy Sloth Financial. Let me just look that up online and maybe I'll get it. Sleepy Sloth Financial. Sleepy Sloth. Is it a brand new coin? Because I don't see it on here. Maybe I do. The ticker is Sleepy, I believe. Yeah, I don't see it on CoinMarketCap. On this website, I do see it. So, yeah, I'll do research on that. Right now, I can't really tell you a lot about it. If it's brand new, I don't know if I want to. It says it's worth absolutely no price, so I'm not quite sure about that either. It's down 6% for the day, so volume's also only 250,000, which kind of like tells me that there's not a lot of liquidity, which means it's kind of scary to trade. Which I don't know where you trade it if that's on Uniswap. Let me go to Uniswap right now and see if that's on there. Hold on. Actually, I can just do this. Yeah, Uniswap. Let me see if it's on Uniswap. Because if it's not on Uniswap, then I'm not going to be able to get into it. SL. Yeah, I don't think it's on Uniswap either. So, yeah, I can't do much with that actually. Sorry about that. What is Bitcoin doing now? Still at 55.3. Nothing exciting. Dogecoin is at 41.8. It's having a little bit of actually a pretty nice bounce, pretty good bounce. It went all the way down to basically 40 cents, and now it's almost at 41.7 cents. We'll see what happens. It's probably because Sleepy is one of those third short squeeze tokens. LOL. Definitely on CoinGecko. Third party, 2 or 3 days old. They have a TikTok competition. Interesting. They're on CoinGecko. I'll look at CoinGecko then. Coin. I mean, yeah, if you want to get in earlier or something, I don't know what they do. I'll definitely do research on it, and if I like it, then I'll make a video about it. I see it here, Sleepy Sloth Financial. It's worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's worth like what, 1/10 10,000th of a penny or something like that. I don't know if I did that math right. In the last 24 hours, it's down 24%. In the last hour, it's down 4.5%. So I might be waiting for this thing to bottom out because it looks like it's on a downfall trajectory. We'll see what happens. It's always fun to get into coins and kind of gamble right when they first launch if it's going to rocket or if it's going to go to zero. This is basically already at zero just with the price, but yeah, if you get it now, it goes to a penny. Holy crap, dude! You know, I mean, I don't think the market cap would support that, but it doesn't tell you what the market cap is. Trading volume again, 250,000 or less, which is kind of hard to trade on that low volume, in my opinion. And like I said, maybe I don't know if you can trade this on Uniswap, but yeah, I see it now. So I'm not doing grad school. I know that for a fact. Not doing grad school. Next week, guys, I will be in Florida. So I'm flying down to Florida on Saturday with my cousin, and then I'm driving back a car all the way back up to the Midwest. So I probably won't be live that next week, but I'll still make videos every day. And as far as trading, I don't know what I want to do. I'm probably going to travel out this summer and trade this summer and day trade. And yeah, I'm definitely not doing grad school though. I do know that. Appreciate you. Alright, so yeah. I'm in a long position right now in Bitcoin. We will see how that works out. My average entry price is $55,619. A pretty small position, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing. So if Bitcoin can hold 55K, that's good. If it's not, the next support's 52K and then $50,000. So that's kind of what I got. I'll look into Sleepy. If it looks like a good project, I'll invest more or I'll make a video on it. But yeah, that's all I got, guys. If you guys have any other coins you want me to look at on the way out, let me know. Otherwise, that's all I got. Just ending the YouTube.